That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. You know the type, you know the guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. No, he wouldn't know. He wouldn't. He wouldn't know. No, he wouldn't. He wouldn't know. No, he wouldn't. He wouldn't. He wouldn't. He wouldn't know. He wouldn't know. He wouldn't
Okay, hey my minkies, how are you guys doing today? So today we got baked turkey wings, guys, and some corn on the side. So with it's over some rice and gravy. So we're gonna go ahead and take a bite of this, guys. This is another quick and easy simple meal that you can make for your family. A good Sunday meal that is affordable because the meat it doesn't cost that much for the meat, guys. The corn and the cans and the rice, you probably already got the rice at home, so it's mainly about the meat. So we're gonna go ahead and taste this, and I'm gonna give you guys a bite first. Here you go. I knew it was gonna happen. This is so good. I season it so well. Sometimes I be surprised at my own self, guys. My cross and turn over. I be surprised at my own seasoning, guys. It be so good. Hey, my minkies. Today we will be doing a review on these Funyuns spicy kale No, not KO. Queso. Bloopers, guys. Okay, these funyun spicy KOs. It's like got my tongue all twisted and everything just saying this. I was so eager to try this, guys. I don't know if you all have tried this before. Let me know in the comments if you all have tried this before. But I got the idea from Slim Shell. This is her name right here, guys. If you don't know who she is, go subscribe to her channel and tell her that Mink sent you guys. I wanted to try this because she tried it. I wanted to see how it tastes. And plus my husband was like, he wanted to get it when we seen it in the store. And I was like, well, I needed to do a review on it anyway, so why not just get a bag and we'll try it. So this is how they look, guys. I don't know if you can see the seasoning. You can really see the seasoning on it. And you can kind of smell it too. It kind of tastes like, I'm not taste. It kind of smells like queso to me. As far as the nutrition facts, guys, there's not much sugar in here, not much dietary fiber, 19 grams of total carbohydrates, sodium 160 milligrams, total fat 6 grams, and saturated fat 1 gram, trans fat 0 grams. So the serving size is like 13 pieces, guys. They do have iron in here, and calcium, and 2 grams of protein. So that's for all my healthy lovers, guys, if you wanted to try this snack out. So we're gonna go ahead and try a bite. I'm gonna give you guys a bite first. Yo, I'm just so tongue twisted today. Like, what's the problem? Hold up, guys. And I got it on the first bite. I couldn't even believe it. I can actually taste the spicy queso. I can taste it, guys. Oh my gosh. You can taste like the cheese and the spiciness. Normally it takes me a couple of bites, but I got it on the first bite, guys. It's good. It's not bad. You know what? If I actually put some of this with some spicy queso, some actual spicy queso, this will actually be good. Dip that in there with that. Have any of you tried that? That's so good. I love it. I'm good. I wish the taste was like a little bit stronger, but you can taste the hint of it though. I love it. Go and try this out, guys. If you love spicy queso. Funyuns did their thing on this. I give it a 9 because I think that taste should be a little stronger because I love spicy queso. So thank you guys for watching this review. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed the meal and the snack, guys. And let Slim Michelle know that girl come up with some more snacks, girl. I'm trying to snack. She always have the good snacks on her channel. So I love her. I love sis. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry. I'm so distracted what's on my screen, but thank you guys for watching and checking out my videos. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for following the people that I also share out and also share for the world to see, guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Like. Bye bye, my minkies.